How to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch WhatsApp. Navigate to three dots icon at top right and tap settings. Scroll down and choose notifications and make sure that you enable all the notifications. After that, you need to choose notification tone for your groups. And here you can easily choose custom ringtone by tapping on this device. Now you can easily choose the custom ringtone from music or recordings. You can tap on it and come back. When you come back, you can easily scroll down and you need to do the same for your calls as well. Tap ringtone and then tap on this device and choose a custom ringtone and come back. And once you have done that, you will easily set custom ringtone for your groups and calls. Likewise, do the same for messages too. And then you can see that only the first 5 seconds of a custom tone will be played. Come back and you can even follow the next step, that is long press on WhatsApp and tapping I button. Now navigate to allow notifications or manage notifications and toggle the button on. And here you will see chats, notifications and other notifications. You can easily manage all this notification and set to custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android by following the same step. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.